Welcome to RoadRush, a rideshare platform built on blockchain technology. Existing rideshare platforms are centrally controlled by multinational organizations. Because of this, the distribution of funds to drivers is often delayed and commissions can be high. The driver community is not happy and want to have more control, so let's dive in. Rideshare drivers have to deal with high commissions and delays in receiving funds to their account. Also, the commission structures are not very clear even at the best of times. There has to be a better way to create a rideshare ecosystem that is equitable and controlled by the drivers in a safe and secure manner. RoadRush eliminates the middleman, enabling direct and transparent and secure transactions between passengers and drivers. Enjoy real-time, commission-free transactions. With RoadRush, you can pay with fiat or digital currencies, ensuring convenience and flexibility. Our innovative ride bidding feature lets drivers quote their prices during a 30-second period. A passenger can choose the best offer based on cost, distance, and driver ratings. RoadRush is governed by a decentralized, autonomous organization, ensuring that community members have a voice in setting rules and policies, promoting fair and democratic governance. Built on the Evernode smart contract platform, RoadRush guarantees secure, fast, and reliable transactions, enhancing trust and efficiency in every ride. RoadRush offers a range of features designed to enhance your rideshare experience, such as transparent pricing, direct payments, flexible bidding, community governance, and versatile payment options. Let us move on to the product demonstration. We are creating a platform that provides all the features that are available in well-known rideshare platforms without a central control authority. Let's log into the system with a digital wallet. In this case, we're using Zaman. You can select the passenger app or the driver app. Let's have a look at the driver app. When a driver first creates an account, they are airdropped 20,000 drive tokens, or RDTs, a percentage of which will be consumed with each ride the driver completes. Drivers can also set their price per kilometer at any time they require. Passengers set their starting point and destination from the home page. The starting point can be the current location or any valid address. The passenger can also create waypoints along the route. The ride selection page allows passengers to choose what type of vehicle they would like to book. Once the passenger selects a vehicle type, a notification will be sent to all the available drivers in the area. If the ride bidding feature is not required, the passenger can do so with one short click. We also have a unique feature that allows the participating drivers to price bid on the ride. If the ride is auction-enabled, the driver can participate in the auction and provide their customized price per kilometer to the passenger via the app. Each driver is shown the bids made by other drivers who have accepted the ride request. They can then adjust their own price so as to better improve their chances of being selected by the passenger. All this is done within a 30-second window. Once a particular driver is selected by a passenger, a notification is sent to the selected driver. Passenger location is shown to the driver on the map, and the passenger can see the driver's position on the map with a green marker. With RoadRush, drivers manage charge rates without the intervention of a central authority. They have the flexibility to adjust their price per kilometer at any time. The pricing structure is controlled by the driving community. Unlike other apps, our platform provides full payment to the driver at the end of each ride. Additionally, passengers benefit from features like price auctions, allowing them to secure a more competitive rate for their ride. In the Edit Waypoints page, a passenger will be able to make alterations to their ride if required. Once they've finished editing, a notification is sent to the driver immediately, and the driver's map will be updated accordingly. The total fare for the ride is determined by calculating the distance traveled in conjunction with the driver's rate per kilometer. As the ride progresses, if any new waypoints are added to the route, the system automatically recalculates the fare. This recalculation accounts for the additional distance covered due to the updated waypoints, ensuring that the fare accurately reflects the total distance traveled. At the conclusion of the ride, the passenger receives a notification detailing the final amount to be paid to the driver. The passenger can pay the amount in cash, credit card, or with their digital currency wallet. We will show the passenger making a payment through their digital wallet. This creates a payment event. Once the passenger goes to his wallet and accepts the payment event, the amount is securely transferred from the passenger's account to the driver's account. Once a ride has been completed, a percentage of the RDTs are reduced from the driver's balance, and the XRP balance is also updated to reflect the payment made by the passenger. Drivers can top up their RDTs when needed through a third party. Join RoadRush to enjoy a platform that truly democratizes the rideshare industry by providing real choice to the passenger and control to the rideshare provider. Download RoadRush today and be a part of the rideshare revolution. Visit our website or find us at your app store.